What types of extra restructuring activity have you seen in the energy space year to date, and what's the market perception going forward for the rest of the year?
I think it's very consistent with what Rob said. It's kind of the smaller, independent, marginal exploration and production companies that are more geographically focused, possibly on one particular play, that don't have the diversity or larger balance sheet, that are finding themselves more likely to be in distress and possibly bankruptcy. I think the same is probably true for some of the smaller oilfield services companies that may tend to be equipment heavy, if you will. Or we're seeing some activity in that space. I think a lot of what happens for the rest of the year is largely dependent upon where the price of crude goes, and does it stay at kind of a more stable level, and a sense of normalcy returns to the market. But even if that's the case, I mean, you're seeing oil at crude at let's say $60 a barrel for the rest of the year. That's still a 40% decline over where we saw a year ago, given the fact that CapEx budgets are normally set annually. I think I certainly expect to see an increase in restructuring activity for the bulk of the year, and that could be restructuring in terms of, as I mentioned earlier, operational debt for equity swaps, bankruptcies, those sorts of things, but it also could be M&A.